What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cutting this open. So I know it's pretty tough. I tried it with the scissors when I was not filming a video, cause my mom's phone had to charge. So I have my mom's phone and I'ma cut this open. And if you see this right here, we're going to be cutting that open too. Need a pencil. Stab it. It's not working either. Still not working though. But what is this? Let's see. Let's see. Wait, guys, let me just go do something. Sorry about that. I just need to talk to someone. Okay, so I got this pen and it's probably going to work. Damn. It still didn't work. Is there a zipper? I don't know, but I don't know how you break open this thing. It's too hard. Let me get something else. Another thing. It still didn't work, but let me use the scissors again. I have even sharp scissors than this. For some reason, it doesn't work. Let's cut this open. Oh crap. That's why I don't play scissors with this. And don't try this at home either, because you might hurt yourself. I don't know how to break open this thing though. But let's try it with this. What is that? Never mind. I'm gonna try with my extra strength. I have so much strength. Let me grab the pen and let's see. I'm closing my eyes so I can keep focus. Let's see. It did no damage. If you can see, it's not leaking. See? I tried everything with these and it's still not working. So I don't know how to break open this thing, but this. Maybe you have to get a sharper pencil. Let me see if I have one. This, I think. I don't know how. This is too hard to break open though. At least I'm trying my best to open this thing up. But I'm gonna try with my color pencil, which is yellow. Trying to open this thing is not working. I found this floor. I found it on the floor. This is supposed to be my dog's pet. My dog's thing. And I'm trying to cut it open, but if I cut it open, maybe I'll get in trouble. But we're gonna cut it open anyways. Or maybe this was when I had it when I was like 6 years old, I think. But I'm gonna grab this. Come on. Oh wait, I heard something. Oh. Wait, I thought it was a broken something, but no. Do it harder. Uh, let me get. I have a sharp one right here. My white colored pencil. It's so sharp. Look at the point of this. Ow, it hurts. It hurts. So if this doesn't work, and the scissors doesn't work, these doesn't work, and the other pencil doesn't work, I don't know what's going to break open this thing. But we're gonna have to make a part 2 breaking open this thing. Oh wait. If it break opens, we're not going to make a part 2. So hit the subscribe button and like button so I can break open this thing. Oh! It broke! See how powerful this thing is? It broke. I don't know what else should I do, but I'm gonna try with this. The marketing spot's right here. You need to get it right here. If you see the arrow, that means I have to break it right here. So we're gonna try our best. This is our target, so we could break it. You know those things, crossing air things, crossing arrows. Yeah, that's what it's called. And they have a circle thing that you have to aim at the red dot. And it's like this, but I have to stab it. Come on. It's so scary. Ooh, crap. Damn. That didn't work too. If this breaks, it's incredible. Trying to break open this. Still not working. How? That's impossible, but my scissors though. Looks like it's about to break, but isn't. My other scissor broke when I wasn't a YouTuber. So let's see. Oh my god, it's so hard. The pen, one last time. Because a pen needs to be, just checking under this. Oh crap. But if this thing is powerful, and if this breaks, we're not going to make a part 2. But if this doesn't break, we're going to make a part 3 or 2 or 4 or 5. Because this thing is not breaking at all. And still, it didn't. And if you see a leak, it's not leaking. Let me try something. It's still not. Damn. But I'm gonna try the scissors one last time. The scissors are weak. I got something. Guys, stay here. Okay? So. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have these rubber bands, and I'm gonna put it. Like you see in those TikToks, they put the rubber band, and then it explodes. I'm gonna try on this. It might not work though. Let's see. Damn. Too hard. Damn, it doesn't work. Oh, did it? Let's see. Okay. I have 2 rubber bands so far. I want to see if it explodes. I'm gonna have to guess something. I know it's taking a quite long. No. Damn, it messed up. But I'm gonna try something. What about this? What's this? What is this? Let's see. Where's the target? Oh, the target's right here. Okay, then going to, I don't know what this is, but I found it randomly on my table. So we're going to be testing it out and stabbing it. It doesn't work instantly. So let's see. I'm gonna have to put this, have to put rubber bands. Oh man, I can't do it though. It's too hard breaking this thing. I know, but we're gonna have to make a part 2. This is too hard to break. And I know you guys, I wanna break it, but I can't. It's too hard, but I think I could. I believe in myself. Always believe in yourself, guys. But I'm gonna try to break this soon. Maybe tomorrow, I think. Because I'll check my videos. Oh. Rubber band fell. So guys, leave a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell. We will do this in a part 2 again. Let me do one more thing. See? Still didn't broke though. But subscribe and click the notification bell. Goodbye guys. We're going to make a part